Let's enjoy Georgia Tbilisi. Let's go! So, samahan niyo ulit kami sa ating mga craving adventures, guys.
Pink Crush Very Limited Edition.
Alam mo ba yung feeling na araw-araw? Pag binubuksan mo yung pinto na to, iisa lang ang pupuntahan mo, work. As in, W-O-R-K. Trabaho. Same hallway, same routine. Ganon yung buhay namin dito sa abroad. Minsan nakaka-robot na yung routine namin. Wake up, duty, uwi, pahinga, tapos repeat ulit. And don't get me wrong, grateful kami. Pero minsan, napapaisip ka rin, hanggang ganito na lang ba muna? But today, iba, hindi ako papasok sa shift. Papunta kami sa airport.
So ayun guys, it's another day, it's another craving tours na naman po ang ating gagawin for today's trip. So ayun guys, so today is December 30 na. So bukas ay New Year na guys. And ayun, na-approve na naman ang ating leave and pupunta ulit tayo somewhere else guys. So samahan niyo ulit kami sa ating mga craving adventures guys. But this is a work trip guys. So nagala tayo, mag-work trip tayo. Kasi gusto kong ma-edit na yung mga videos natin guys na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Tara na, sama na kayo guys. Let's travel the world together. Tara, andyan na yung Uber natin.
Paul and I decided that this New Year, we will celebrate somewhere different. Kasi, aminin natin, ibang-iba ang holidays pag OFW tayo. Minsan, may duty tayo, minsan, pagod tayo, minsan, tahimik lang. So this time, sabi namin, let's choose something different. So yun guys, nakapag-check-in na kami and dito na kami pasok na lang kami. So bago ng camera guys.
kami dito.
Churun, churun, churun. So ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa loob. Ito na yung bear. Dito na tayo sa loob ng departure area ng Qatar. And ayun nga, it's another craving tours na naman ang ating pupuntahan guys. And sana ma-enjoy natin yon kasama ko kayo sa travel na ito. Saan ba tayo pupunta? So ang pupuntahan natin guys, malapit lang dito sa Doha, Qatar. Pupunta tayo ng Georgia Tbilisi. So ayun guys, doon tayo magsa-celebrate ng New Year. Today is December 30 na guys, kaya tara, sama kayo. Living Doha when you live here hits differently. Hindi siya tourist feeling. Dito tayo nagtatrabaho, dito tayo kumakayon. This city built our routine. But for a few days, hindi muna trabaho ang priority namin. We're choosing experience. We're choosing memories. And honestly, excited ako.
Gagawin namin guys ay pupunta ng lounge. Free lounge lang yun guys. So, ayun guys, meron silang malaking Toblerone. Ganito kalaki. So limited edition sa Qatar lang daw to guys. Yung ganun kalaki is 150 riyals. Pink Crush very limited edition. So ayun guys, punta lang kami ng lounge and sama ko kayo doon. So ito siya guys, yung aming beverage club. So pasok na. So ayun guys, papunta kami ng boarding and ito ulit si Bear. Let's enjoy Georgia TBC. Let's go! So, ayun guys, dito na tayo sa loob ng airplane and hindi siya yung malaking Airbus ng Qatar Airways. So, maliit lang siya. So, meron siyang dalawang column and kung nakikita nyo, bali dalawa lang siya. Parang siyang Cebu Pacific na yung maliit and AirAsia, ganun siya. Ang kagandahan nito, meron tayong charging port. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan, may charging port sila. May TV din, hindi ka mabobore. Meron tayong pa-table dito. Ay, hindi nakita yan. Table.
Welcome on board Qatar Airways at the One World Alliance.
So, ayun guys. Nag-reminder lang sila. So, meron din tayong unan guys. Tsaka kumot, o diba? Tsaka yung mga ano nila, headphone for the screen. So, ayun guys, sa harapan guys, yun yung business class. Pero parang ilang upuan lang yung business class nila. So, ito yung labas. Maliit lang talaga siya guys. So, pakita ko sa yung labas. At least na nakasakay na tayo and nag-message na rin yung Airbnb natin. So, first time namin mag-Airbnb, tignan natin kung maganda ba ang Airbnb. Maganda naman yung location ng ating nabook na titirhan, accommodation for this trip because it's 10 days of stay ang ating gagawin sa Tbilisi. Like what I said, mag-edit tayo ng mga videos at same time mag-tour tayo at mag-travel kasama ko guys. So, para meron ako na akong mailabas na video sa inyo. Ayun na, pwede tayo manood ng F1. So, ayun guys, di naman tayo mabobore for 3 hours. So, pwede tayo manood dito or even matulog na lang guys, wala pa tayong tulog.
Thank you for choosing Qatar Airways, the world's best airlines.
It has been our pleasure taking care of you today. Qatar Airways going places together. Thank you and good afternoon.
Hello, George. So yun guys, finally, we're here na sa Tbilisi.
I love a strawberry side on the side.
So yun guys, punta muna tayo sa passport control and tingnan natin kung gaano kadali o mahirap pa pagpasok dito. So update ko kayo guys.
Be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just
Tayo
keeping
ng
it
team.
straight, 'cause you got
Time
me
for the
feeling
man. Yung mga exchange din
distracted. Let me
dito.
show you the way. Girl, I don't take it for
Kung labas.
granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near.
So, ayun guys, nakabili na tayo ng SIM natin. So, nasa phone na natin SIM. Mag-withdraw lang tayo ng pera. Dito yung ATM machine. Dito sa may paglabas nyo guys, sa may baggage counter. May costume doon. Medyo mahigpit sila sa mga dayuhan, mga turista. So, i-check lahat ng hand carry na gamit at bag. And then also, bumili na kami ng SIM. Pwede ang card dito guys. So, pwede nyong bayaran siya ng Visa credit card. Then now, si Paul ay nag-withdraw na ng pera. Try natin mag-withdraw dun sa ATM nila. And I think mas okay naman yung withdraw kaysa magpa-exchange. Though, meron din kaming dollar. Just in case lang naman na hindi gumana yung mga cards namin. Nandito kasi ako yung bag iniwan. So, ito yung ating bag. Padami. Ayan, ganyan kadami yung dala namin. Pero puro jacket lang yan guys. So, ayun guys, okay naman so far. Yung immigration officer nila medyo intimidating sila guys. Kaya medyo kalmahan na lang pag Kasi yung binigay ko yung mga documents ko parang kinalat lang niya nung binalik ko. So far, okay naman na nakapasok na tayo guys and let's go. Punta na tayo sa ating binook na Airbnb. Pero ang gagamitin natin guys, ang meron sila dito, may Yandex sila dito. Meron din silang Bolt. May taxi din naman pero better mag-Bolt na lang tayo. Parang binigay na address nung ating Airbnb, doon tayo bababa. So subukan natin ang Google Maps kung maayos siyang gumagana. Pero ayon sa research ko, yung Yandex map, yun ang pwede nating magamit. Pero try natin Google Maps, baka maayos din naman parang sa Japan. Mag-book lang kami and let's see, update namin kayo after.
Paglabas namin ng airport sa Tbilisi, ramdam agad yung lamig. From desert air to winter breeze. Nanibago agad yung katawan ko. Sa Georgia, January pa ang Christmas nila. So parang extended yung Pasko. Bilang mga Pilipino, iba talaga pag may Christmas vibe. Kahit malayo kami sa pamilya, parang may konting familiar feeling pa rin. For a moment, hindi ko naramdaman yung layo.
Ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa labas. Medyo malamig talaga. So ito ay 3 degrees Celsius ngayon paglabas namin. Feels like -1. So waiting na lang kami ng Bolt guys. Pakita ko rin yung surroundings while nasa car kami.
Nag-check-in muna kami sa Airbnb. Simple lang, hindi fancy. Pero grabe yung feeling ng paglapag ng bag. Parang signal siya na nandito na talaga kami. Walang alarm bukas, walang shift na iisipin. So for us OFWs, that is already feels like luxury. Hindi kami nagpahinga ng matagal. Daylight pa eh. So sabi namin, labas na tayo. Syempre, may konting reality check. Pag-check ko ng camera ko, some files were corrupted. Hindi sila mabuksan. Honestly, na-stress ako. Sayang yung shots. Alam mo yung effort ka maghanap ng angle, tapos biglang wala. For a few minutes, tahimik lang ako. Buti na lang, may clips pa sa phone ko. Hindi man lahat, pero may papakita pa rin sa inyo. And habang naglalakad kami ulit, naisip ko, bakit ko hinahayaan masira ng files yung moment namin. The city was still beautiful. Nandun pa rin kami. Sometimes, masyado tayong focus sa pag-document. Nakakalimutan nating i-enjoy. That was my reminder. Pavilion houses. Along the hillside, we notice these small pavilion houses, quite a reminder of the old traditions that still exist in Tbilisi. One of the unique attractions is the giant tethered balloon that lifts visitors high above the city. Rai Park is one of the most modern spaces in Tbilisi, a relaxing green park that sits right beside the Kura River. From the right part, the cable car takes you up to the hill toward the historic side of the city. At the top of the hill is the historic Narikala Fortress. But unfortunately, during our visit, it was closed. Mother of Georgia. Standing proudly above the city is the iconic Mother of Georgia statue, symbolizing both hospitality and strength. City view and stores near Mother of Georgia. From this area, you can see a beautiful panoramic view of Tbilisi with small souvenir shops, adding a lively atmosphere to the hilltop. While exploring, we were surprised to hear a street musician playing Lupang Hinirang, the Philippine national anthem, towards thousands of kilometers away from home.
Mahal kita Filipino, Manila!
Cable car view of Kura River. Riding the cable car down gives you a perfect view of the Kura River flowing through the heart of Tbilisi. Kura River. The Kura River is main river that runs through Tbilisi, dividing the historic old town and the modern city. Seeing the city from above reminds you how big the world really is and how important it is to step away from routine once in a while. We stopped by Liel Chimney Cake, a popular dessert spot known as its freshly baked chimney cakes. Just below the street level is Median Bazaar, an underground market filled with local crafts, wine, and Georgian souvenirs. Kura River Walkway. Walking along the riverside walkway gives you a peaceful way to explore the old part of the city. Bridge of Peace. The Bridge of Peace is a modern glass bridge that beautifully connects the old and new parts of Tbilisi. The famous clock tower looks like it came straight out of the storybook, with its slightly tilted design and artistic details. The Georgian Parliament building stands as an important symbol of the country's government and political history. St. George Freedom Square. At Freedom Square stands the golden statue of St. George slaying the dragon, a powerful symbol of freedom and victory. Night in Rustaveli Avenue. At night, Rustaveli Avenue becomes even more vibrant, with lights, shops, and people enjoying the city. We were hoping to try Vard's coffee, but unfortunately, we arrived just as they were closing. Christmas vibes in Rustaveli Avenue. Even in January, Rustaveli Avenue still feels festive, with Christmas lights and decorations all around. We also passed by one of the Catholic churches in Tbilisi, quietly standing among the city's diverse religious landmarks. After a long day of walking, we ended up enjoying Thai food in Old Tbilisi, a surprising but satisfying meal. As midnight arrived, the sky over Tbilisi light up with fireworks. Trips like these remind us that even as OFWs working abroad, we should still take time to explore the world, create memories, and celebrate life beyond work. Sometimes, the best journeys are not the perfect ones, but the ones that remind us how beautiful the world really is. When you work abroad, life becomes routine. Work, home, repeat. So trips like these become more than just travel. They become a reminder that we're still living. As OFWs, we carry responsibilities, homesickness, and hard work every day. But moments like these remind us that we deserve to enjoy life too. Hey Cravers! Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga videos. And yes, this is for our vlog for this episode. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!